Hi, welcome back to my channel, Miss Damn Jewelry. I'm Dolores, and today I have friend mail. Yes, I got friend mail. I'm so excited to open it. It is from Christine at Side Street Market. I will put a link to her channel in the description. I'll have it come across here and come across here. So you can go check out all of Christine's videos, drop sales, YouTube sales. Y'all need to go check Christine out. But I am excited to get friend mail all the way from Florida. All the way from Florida here to the UK. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't even opened it yet. So let's open it and see what I got. Let me crack this box open and we'll go through it together. Hang on a minute. Okay, I got the box open. I'm so excited. This thing, surprise! Surprise! This might be a private moment. Let me just check to make sure, you know, she didn't tell me anything private. Yeah. Oh, kitty typewriter. Y'all, that is so cute. Oh my God. She was purging her jewelry hoard. And who doesn't have a jewelry hoard? And she sent me some pieces. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so crinkle alert. Let me just take this out. Hang on a minute. This one. Oh, she packed this. Oh my Lanta. It's right on top. Let me show y'all. Hang on. Here, Lola, you want some paper to play with, girl? I better not, because it'll be real loud. Okay, first of all, oh my God. That's great. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my gosh. Hang on, y'all. I'm going to show y'all this in a bit. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's amazing, like blue cobalt glass. It's got the rollover clasp, and it can be used as a pendant. Oh my God, look at that. Up close and personal. Oh, I love this. Child, I can put it right there. Be on Miss Sunshine. Oh my God. Oh, she uses such good paper, y'all. Let me show you. Oh, hang on. Oh, let me take it off. So, dang, right? It's like a big old cake. Ooh, cake. Cake, can you make some cake? So, put my box down. And she's got this lovely little ribbon on it, y'all. This little, was it tulle? Yep. That's Lola in the background, y'all. Hey, girl, hey. She want to see what Auntie Christine gave us, child. Okay, we're going to look. Okay, so this might be a little crinkly. So I might just put you on hold. I might pause this and then come back because look at her in the background because it's crinkly. So hold, please. Got this good, honey. Look at that. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh, y'all. I'm so, girl, thank you so much. Okay, everything's on the floor. Thank you so much for sending this to me because she knows I like jewelry, hence the name. Oh my God, let me just get my scissors. Oh. Christine, girl. I think this is my friend. I've had friends send me stuff like when I buy stuff from them, and they'll send me like, they'll send Dave Cheetos, Beth. But to get like a friend mail all the way from Florida, y'all. This a lot. Hang on. Right. So she sent me loads of brooches. Now I repurpose brooches to make jewelry with. So if a brooch has a stone missing or the back's messed up, I will still use them and repurpose jewelry. And it's great because when you repurpose them that way, you can't tell anything's missing. It's just it's a big statement piece. So I like to use, you know, I don't want to leave any brooches behind. No brooch left behind. So we're going to use it all. And it's a great way to repurpose jewelry that you think, well, it's broken and I can't really use it. Like this piece here. This back is missing on this. And that's okay for what I'm going to use it for. That's going to be amazing on a repurposed statement piece. I mean, look at that. Just so many good brooches that I can use in all of my jewelry making. This is just dang cute, though. I just might keep that, you know, and not repurpose it. Look how cute that little boot is. Mm-hmm. That's cute. That might be for, that'll just be for me. And so all of these items, like this one has the back missing. That's actually better for me because that will be easier for me to place onto, it's like a big metal collar that I have that I attach these to. So these are amazing. I mean, you know, if you go and you try to buy these, they're expensive to buy, even broken brooches. So I'm shaking the table. But just look at this. I mean, in fact, I'm going to try to make some from my sale next week, my autumn sale next week. I'm trying to get some made for that. We'll see how that goes because I'm kind of like pressed for time. But just some great pieces. I mean, this is great because it can be used as a pendant or a brooch. So it's got the little pendant part there. I mean, Christine, girl. I mean, this has got all those dang stones right here. Look. Mm-hmm. So all these pieces here. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is a necklace too. This would have been this is a necklace. Look at that. Okay. Wow. Wow. Wow, Bethany. Wow. Look at this. These are going to be so good. I mean, that's good for a Christmas one, I think. These are going to be so, oh my God. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I love this. This is just cute, child. Look at that. Look at her. Isn't she cute? She's got a little face. Look at a little face. I mean, Christine, I'm freaking out. I honestly am freaking out. Genuinely. I'm just like, well, I know y'all watching me. Everybody watching me freak out. Even bits like earrings and stuff, they're perfect for when I make my pieces, like filler pieces. So good. Look at that clip-on earring. I mean, girl. See here, this has got a blank space here. I could put a picture of someone in there. You know what I mean? Like I could put like a picture, maybe like an old movie star and then put it on the necklace. I mean, how cool would that be? So you just have to use your imagination and like this. I could put a big stone in the middle of that and bam, right in the middle. That'd be like my little ice princess. Ooh, an ice princess necklace with all clear. And oh, yes, child. I mean, this is what happens. This is a process that I go through. I will see the things. Then to me, they're like, they just inspire me. I'm losing my words. They inspire me to make. This is actually, Christine, I think the motivation I needed to start getting back into jewelry making. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at her. This is, wow. I mean, wow. That's my cat knocking stuff over. Girl, but don't. I'm going to open another one. Just a moment, please. How pretty is this scarf clip, though? See its little scarf clip back? See the little thing in the back? This has just, I mean, this has really inspired me, Christine. This has really gave me the kick up the booty that I needed to start making jewelry, to start making my jewelry again. With all these pieces, and as I look at them, it's like, oh, I could do this with this piece and this with this piece. I'm speechless. Girl, I'm just, thank you so much. I mean, I still got more to go, y'all, so we're going to be here. We're going to be here a hot minute, okay? I mean, look, all the things, my mind is just racing with ideas. I mean, some of these I'm going to keep for myself, obviously. But it's just, I think I really needed to see stuff like this placed in front of me for me to regain the vision of creating jewelry again. Because I haven't done it in a while. And it's one of those things that you do that, I mean, don't get me wrong, I love reselling. Reselling is really fun. I like it. I enjoy, you know, all aspects of it. And it's a lot of work, but I enjoy the work. But I miss the jewelry making. And look at that piece. And this has really given me that, oh, wow. That'd be good in a piece. in a repurposed necklace. This has really given me the like, well, you have no excuse now. You have lots of stuff to make. I can't believe I'm speechless. Don't happen often. Y'all take a picture. 'Cause, I mean, just so many good pieces that are good on their own just to wear, but good to repurpose. Which I love to do. Oh God, there's more. Lord, y'all. Oh, we're gonna be here a while. Purposing. Oh, these are shoe clips. These are what you put on your shoes. See those there? You put one on each of your shoe to dress up your shoes. These are so cool. Yeah, those are shoe clips. Wow. Wow, Bethany, wow. Look at that. Close. Oh, that piece. So like I said, I sometimes you really need that little kick in the butt to, oh, that is gorge. Look at that. You need that little get up and, that little get up and go for you to, oh, that's pretty too. For you to start going, you know what? Oh, sorry. Didn't even show you. I need to start making, and like I said, I like reselling and I love it. But making jewelry calms me. It's that when I'm sitting there making it and creating it, I'm in that peaceful place. If you create stuff, y'all understand. Look at that. And being in my creative zone is probably one of the best places I could be in my mind. Because it just, I don't know, there's just something about, oh, this is pretty. There's something about being able to make something and then seeing the end result, at the end of it. But it's the process of doing it, the making, the figuring out what you're going to do. That's the exciting part. And all these are just, they're ready to be put on something. They're ready to relive a life that they had. So, I don't just make repurposed jewelry. I make other jewelry as well. But the repurposed stuff, I really enjoy making. I enjoy making any jewelry, actually. And this is just, oh, Christine, I got more, y'all. This has just inspired me. You didn't know how bad I needed this. How much I needed that. Oh, wow, look at that. That's lots of fun. I actually like that. That's actually really, it's a beaded brooch. Isn't that pretty? So, these are fun. These are handmade. These are great. So, this, I don't think you realize, Christine, that you just jump-started, oh, wow, my creative juices flowing again. You jump-started it. And I have to say that I kind of needed that. Look at that bow. Because like you say, you do find yourself getting in a rut and not doing, and sometimes doing other things and not the one thing. Oh, look at that. That brought you to where you're at now. Jewelry brought me to reselling jewelry, which brought me to reselling items, which I need to get back to making jewelry. Because that's kind of where my heart is. I love, love, love making jewelry. Now, this is fun. Look at this. And you can use it as a pendant. Look at that. That'd be good for Christmas, child. Oh, look at this little horse. This is perfect. And then this one. There's so many here, guys, that I'd be really literally be here all night. Look at that. That's actually pretty. That's actually a real pretty one. I'm going to keep that one. And again, it's also, you can make a pendant out of it. Ooh, Christine, I love everything you sent. I cannot wait to get started to making jewelry again. You just gave me that inspiration. And I can't thank you enough for sending me all these bits and pieces, all these wonderful brooches, wonderful bits and bobs and sparklies that I can either wear myself, or I can repurpose into jewelry that will see another day. So thank you so much, Christine. You just don't know how, you just kickstarted that creativity in me again, and I appreciate it so much. Thanks, guys, for watching. Remember, go to Side Street Market's YouTube channel, Christine. I'll put the link in the description, and y'all go give her some love, because she's amazing for sending me all this, and I can't thank her enough. Thank you so much, Christine. Thanks, guys, for watching this unboxing, and I appreciate it, and you guys take care. Stay safe, and see you soon. Bye.